Hey guys, what is up? I hope every one of you is doing good. So I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to talk about a movie which you might or might not have watched, but you have definitely heard about it. Yes, I'm talking about the 1972 American crime film The Godfather. This movie is directed by Francis Ford Coppola, who also co-wrote this screenplay along with Mario Puzo. This movie was based on the best-selling novel of Mario Puzo of the same name. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. This film was ranked the second greatest film in the history of American cinema and was also selected for preservation in the US National Film Registry of the Library of Congress in 1990. This film starts with Vito Corleone attending his daughter Connie's wedding with Carlo.
Vito is the godfather, Don, and is the head of the Corleone mafia family in New York. His youngest son Michael, who was a Marine during World War II, introduces his girlfriend Kay Adams to the family at the reception. Michael is not at all interested to be a part of their family business. Johnny Fontane, a popular singer and Vito's grandson, seeks Vito's help in securing a movie role. Vito then dispatches his advisor Tom Hagen to Los Angeles to persuade studio head Jack Waltz to give Johnny the part. Waltz refuses until he wakes up in the bed with the chopped head of his prized stallion. Shortly before Christmas, drug mafia Sollozzo, backed by the Tattaglia crime family, asks Vito for investment in the narcotics business and protection through his political connections, but Vito declines. Vito becomes suspicious and sends his enforcer Luca Brasi to spy on them, but unfortunately Brasi is killed by Bruno Tattaglia and Sollozzo. Later, Sollozzo kidnaps Hagen and guns down Vito in the street. With Corleone's firstborn Sonny in command, Sollozzo pressurizes Hagen to persuade Sonny to accept Sollozzo's deal and then releases him. The family receives fish wrapped in Brasi's bulletproof waste, indicating that Luca sleeps with fishes. Vito survives, but at the hospital he is attacked again. Michael prevents another attempt on his father. Michael's jaw is broken by New York Police Department Captain McCluskey, Sollozzo's unofficial bodyguard. After that incident, Michael plots to murder Sollozzo and McCluskey with a desire to settle the dispute. Michael meets them in a restaurant where he kills both the men. Despite suppression by the authorities, the five families starts a warfare. The five families are five major mafia crime families shown in the movie. Michael takes refuge in Sicily and Fredo is sheltered by Mo Graney. Sonny attacks Carlo on the street for abusing Connie and threatens to kill him if it happens again. When it does, Sonny speeds to their home but is violently murdered by gangsters with submachine guns. While in Sicily, Michael meets a girl, Apollonia, and marries her, but a car bomb intended for him takes her life, unfortunately. Devastated by Sonny's death and realizing that Tattaglias are controlled by the now dominant Don Barzini, Vito attempts to end the feud. He assures the five families that he will withdraw his opposition to the heroin business. His safety guaranteed. Michael returns home to enter the family business and marry Kay, promising her that the business will be legitimate within 5 years. With Vito nearing the end of his life and Fredo too weak, Michael takes the family re-ins. He insists Hagen to relocate to Las Vegas and give up his role to Vito because Hagen is not a wartime counselor. When Michael travels to Las Vegas to buy Greeny's stake in the family's casinos, he is dismayed to see that Fredo is more loyal to Greene than to his own family.
Then after a few days, Vito suffers a heart attack. What happens after that? Well, you have to watch the film to know the climax. So go watch the film and let me know how do you like it in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep sharing, keep loving and keep supporting. And जाने से पहले subscribe कर देना and please share it with your friends if you like it. Then the story follows like this.